We came to 33 Oakdale from a previous 3,300 square foot home, and our friends all said that we were crazy, that we were going to outgrow the house with our kids. Having a smaller home kept us together, always close to one another. And having dinners on that dining table every night is something that a memory that we'll cherish forever. We missed the active life that we had known in the big cities we had lived in. We had lived in big European cities where we were used to doing everything by walking or biking. So we decided to move to Miele Valley to be within walking distance of restaurants and schools and shops so that our kids could become more independent. I fell in love with 33 Oakdale for how simple, how straightforward the floor plan was. I looked at 250 houses before I found this one, and we just love how close it was to the restaurants. I mean, you're just a block away. Our goal for the remodeling was to bring a little gem back to life. When we purchased the house, the house was actually very dark, dark cabinets, dark floors, and it kind of, to me, was not very inviting. And we definitely wanted to make it brighter, cleaner, and something that makes you, something that gives you a happy feeling when you walk in. For us, 33 Oakdale will always be special. This is where our kids grew up, and this is also where we took the path to zero waste, and that's where we adopted a zero waste lifestyle. I think also what obviously always stands out are all the great parties we had in there. It's a small house, but it's very comfortable, and it makes it very easy to have a party, given that the kitchen is open onto the dining room, which is open onto the living room, and all of that opens onto the deck. We definitely have some fun and fond memories that we'll cherish forever. One of my personal favorite special moments on the deck, having a glass of wine also with my husband, looking over the trees, it's something that is basically priceless.